Oh, ah, ah, Father, nowadays cost of vegetables is too high.
In our days, we used to grow them in our gardens. They-
Post, post. Sir, letter from Delhi.
Hey, letter from uncle. Postman uncle, give me the letter.
Okay, take it.
Gopal, how are you?
I am fine, ma. How about you people?
By the grace of God, we are quite okay. Wait a minute. Have these sweets we made for festival.
Thank you, ma. You were so generous.
Give that letter to your father.
Dad,
What's my son?
Dad, Varun is coming to us with his family. It's very nice to be here.
Hey, Priya is coming along with her family. Hey, we can enjoy.
Modern day scene 1. Grandfather sitting in his chair at the corner.
Oh, the selfie is not good. Let me take it another angle.
Father is busy with his laptop.
Jump.
Oh dear, be careful. Don't play less with mobile. Instead you can play in ground, which is good for health.
Oh, leave him, Dad. It's quite common nowadays. Let him play his video game.
Father receives a WhatsApp message.
Oh God.
What happened? Anything wrong?
No, Vikram is coming here along with his family for the festival.
It's good news, right? Then why are you worrying about it?
Who will make all the preparations for the festival? Who will control those child devils? Oh God.
Modern golden days scene 2. Uncle and aunt enters the house with their children.
Mom, uncle and aunt came. Hi, sister.
Hi.
Welcome. Sit here.
After a long time, I see you people.
Oh, mom, we are coming for all festivals, right? Please don't cry, mom.
Even we too are missing you people, but we have to adjust for time being.
It's okay, don't worry. Come, let us enjoy the holidays. Hey, come on, let's play football.
Yes, come on, let's go.
Modern day scene 2. Uncle and aunt enters the house with their children.
Very glad to see you people. Please come in. Be seated here in the sofa.
Who's that?
Vikram is here along with his family.
How are you, my dears?
Yes, I am fine.
Dear uncle, we are all fine.
Oh dear children, don't play less with mobile.
Uncle, are you still here? Please go inside and take rest.
Grandfather goes away sadly because he failed to speak with his son and grandchildren.
Oh my God, now we have to do a lot of work.
Sister, what are you worrying about?
About food and preparations.
Oh, how about ordering food in Swiggy?
Good idea. Let's do it. Finish.
After lunch,
Oh, it's time for the kitty party. Shall we go and attend, sister?
Sure, why not? Come on, let's get ready.
Mom, what's kitty party?
We ladies gather at a place and chit chat with each other. Children, play with mobiles. Don't go out.
Okay.
golden days scene 3.
This is my ball, I will only play.
But uncle told us to share the toys and play.
No, it's mine, I will only play.
No, it's mine. I will also play.
Hey, children, what's happening?
Grandpa, she is trying to take my ball.
No, grandpa, he is lying.
Wait a minute. Now, children, come on, break them.
It's very easy for us. We did it.
Now let me see. Come on, break them.
Oh, it's very hard. We can't break them.
Now, children, try them united.
Nah, very easy for us now.
So, children, what have we learned?
United we stand, divided we fall.
Exactly. When you play together without any quarrels, no one can separate you. So, always be together and love each other.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Dad, you can take rest. Why are you taking trouble? Your health is not good. Please go and take rest. Just call me if you need anything. I'll be there. Come.
Modern day scene 3.
Hey, it's mine.
It's mine.
No, mine.
Mine. No, mine. Hey, children. Don't fight and disturb me. I'm quite busy. Please don't disturb me.
Hey, dear children, come here. Come to me. What happened? Why are you quarreling there?
We don't want your help. You just go and sleep in your room. Come, we'll play together.
Grandfather eats food and gets cough. The plates fall down.
What happened?
Oh, again this old man spoiled the room.
We can't tolerate your father anymore in this house.
What's this? Can't you eat and hold the plate properly? See, again you have spoiled the floor.
Grandfather feels very sad and keeps mum. Children observe father and grandfather.
Tomorrow I am going to leave you in old age home. Just pack your luggage and get ready.
No, please don't do that.
Golden Days scene 4.
Dad, bless me.
God bless you, my child.
Dad, here is good news.
What's it, my dear son?
Dad, first have sweets. I have got promotion.
That's great, my son. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad. It's all because of you and Mom. Your love and affection, discipline, hard work inspired me and made me like you.
Great, my son. It's your simplicity.
Dad, you sacrificed your life for us and took care of us. Now it's my turn. I'll take care of you, Dad.
It was my duty. I just did it. That's all.
Thank you, Dad, and love you.
Modern day scene 4. Child becomes young and father becomes old. Child receives a message from a company.
Dear son, you are looking so happy. What's the matter?
I got a job in Mumbai. I'm leaving next Sunday along with my family.
Then what about me, my son?
I'm leaving you in an old age home. Get ready for that.
But, my son, I want to be with you and stay with my grandchildren.
Don't have a step of melodramas. I decided to live in an old age home. You're leaving, that's all.
Please don't leave me in old age home, my son. I can't live without you and without my grandchildren.
Just go away. I can't bear you anymore. Just like you did, that's all.
Tell me, my son, let me know what have I done.
The same you did to my grandfather.
Yes, it is the right thing that my son did. If I had not been so cruel to my father, I would not have got this situation. If I had shown love, affection, and caring to my father, surely my son would have learnt it and should have taken care of me.
So, dear parents, please be an example to your children in being righteous, courteous, mannered, and loving and caring. Thank you.
Wow!